want to see a cabinet? Did you get that?
Yeah, do that again.
Okay.
That's awesome. You can reach that. Perfect.
Boom.
I'm videotaping now.
Okay.
Paying dividends
Cabinet.
right now.
Kara's gonna show us in iLevel on her new Stretto how she can manipulate everything in her kitchen.
Yes. Day one, I'll get better.
You gotta get figure out probably one on your left, but not for the pictures. It's kind of hard.
When's the last time you did that?
I have never done that.
Oh my gosh.
No. I can hide Christmas presents different
For
places.
you in the morning now.
Yep. And get to the top of the fridge.
Can you dust up there? What's it? Look at your hand now. What is it dusty?
It's dusty. We'll take care of that.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
That hasn't been cleaned in 11 years.
And then the
Nice driving.
the stove too. I'm telling
Can you turn it on? Go ahead, preheat the oven for me.
you.
You're gonna need it at 400 degrees.
I gotta get another angle.
Uh-oh. Definitely don't have to use any. And I can definitely reach the back here too.
Nice. Wow.
This is me
Smells so good.
getting all sorts of cooking knowledge now that I can see
And in the morning, just making waffles.
waffles. And then over here to the sink, we can finally see out this thing. I haven't been able to see
You
out
can
that.
do dishes with a view.
Yep.
You'll be able to see, you actually do get a lot of light from the fender lights, especially at night.
Wash the dust off my hands from the top of the fridge.
So except for getting some of the accessories wrapped up, we're happy.
Oh yes, very happy.
We're
Thank you.
happy.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.